तर फेज म्हणजे काय हे आपण आजच्या सेशनमध्ये बघूयात. ठीक, फेज म्हणजे काय, आता इथे एक एक्झाम्पल घेतलं, एक्झाम्पलच्या साहाय्याने आपण फेज म्हणजे काय समजून घेऊयात. या बीकरमध्ये ओके मी लिक्विड घेतलं आहे. ठीक, द मोमेंट आय pour the liquid in this beaker, what happens, काही वेळाने तुमचं लिक्विड काय होतं, पूर्ण बीकरमध्ये सेटल डाऊन होतं. इट सेटल डाऊन आफ्टर सर्टन टाइम. व्हॉट हॅपन्स, की हे जे सरफेस लेवलचे मॉलिक्यूल आहे, दीज आर द सरफेस लेवल मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ द लिक्विड, and this molecule will start escaping into the atmosphere. How? Let us see. So this is second diagram. Here are the surface level molecules and these are the inside molecules. Okay. Now this surface level molecule have tendency to go in the atmosphere, go into the atmosphere. Let's say we will call this as a liquid phase. This is a liquid phase, and this red molecules, they are the gaseous phase. These are the molecule in the gas phase. If you wait and as time passes, what will happen, maximum number of liquid molecule will go into gaseous state or vapor state. So after certain time there will be the equilibrium. Okay, there will be the equilibrium. Equilibrium means what? This is a liquid phase, and these are the molecules in the gaseous state. So these are the gas, or we will call this as the vapors. This is the vapors. So here if you observe that this is the liquid phase and this is the vapor phase, or we call this as a gaseous phase. Now we want to define a phase. Now we want to define a phase. You observe carefully that these two phases, okay, this is a liquid and this is a gaseous. I can withdraw the gaseous phase, I can remove the gaseous phase from my beaker, as well as I can remove this liquid phase from the beaker. Okay, so what are the observation you can make? This phase, okay, this phase is a physically distinct, physically distinct. Second observation, you can separate these phases, and by using some techniques, filtration techniques or extraction techniques, so it is a mechanically separable. And now this is a homogeneous. Homogeneous means same. Okay, this board, for example, this board is made up of the solid material, and this is the homogeneous throughout. Homogeneous म्हणजे एक समान एक सारखा. Okay, so this is a homogeneous. So what are the characteristic of phase? Phase is a homogeneous, it is a physically distinct, and it is a mechanically separable. Now how to define a phase? How to define a phase? Phase is a homogeneous part. It is the homogeneous part of a system which is physically distinct and mechanically separable from other parts of the system. Okay, this is the atmosphere, and inside beaker we have the vapors. So this liquid phase exists in this surrounding, in this system. So how to define a phase? Phase is a homogeneous part of a system which is physically distinct and mechanically separable from other parts of the system. From other parts of system. Clear this understanding? So what is the phase? Phase is a homogeneous part of a system which is physically distinct and mechanically separable from other part of the system. Now one definition comes here. What is meant by system? What is meant by a system? Okay, so system is a substance is a substance or mixture of substance which is isolated from other substance. By some means or by some ways. Okay. So, what is system? System is a substance or it is a mixture of substance and that is isolated. This is a word important. Okay. That is isolated from the other substances. Now, this, what is a phase? Phase is a homogeneous part of system, homogeneous part of a system which is physically distinct and mechanically separable from other part of a system. Now, how to define a system? System is a substance. It is a substance or it is a mixture of substance which is isolated from other substances. Okay. आता इथे बघा, हे जर ही लिक्विड फेज आहे, ही लिक्विड फेज आहे. Okay. This is a substance and this phase is isolated from other phases. म्हणजे या वेपर फेज पासून आयसोलेटेड आहे. येस. ॲटमॉस्फेरिक गॅसियस फेज आहे, या फेज पासून आयसोलेटेड आहे का? येस. राईट. सिस्टम म्हणजे काय की जी इतरांपासून सेपरेट असू शकते, आयसोलेट असू शकते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल वी आर अ सिस्टम. ओके. आवर बॉडीज आर डिफरंट. ओके. फ्रॉम ईच अदर्स. सो we are a system, we are a substances or a mixture of substances which are isolated from other substances is called as a system. So, understand, this is the basic first concept of the system. Phase rule is that to understand the concept of system. Second concept to understand is to understand what is mean by a phase. Okay, what is mean by phase? Phase is a homogeneous part of a system which is physically distinct and mechanically separable from other part of the system. Clear? Now, what is meant by equilibria? Let us understand the concept of equilibrium. So, as soon as I pour the water inside this beaker, आता मी काय केलं, या beaker मध्ये पाणी टाकल्या काय होईल, पाणी काय होईल, सुरुवातीला सेटल डाऊन होईल. काही वेळाने काय होईल, सरफेस लेवलचे जे मॉलिक्यूल आहेत त्या मॉलिक्यूलची टेंडन्सी असते टू एस्केप इनटू द गॅसियस ऑर दी वेपर स्टेट. आफ्टर सर्टन टाइम व्हॉट विल हॅपन, जेवढे सरफेस लेवलला मॉलिक्यूल असतील तेवढेच मॉलिक्यूल तुमचे काय असतात, लिक्विडचे वेपर स्टेटमध्ये काय होतात, जातात. अँड इथे जर तुम्ही विचार केला, बारकाईने बघितलं तर इथे जे मॉलिक्यूल वेपर स्टेटमध्ये जातात ते पुन्हा काय होतात, लिक्विड फेजमध्ये येतात. आणि ही प्रोसेस कंटिन्युअस चालू असते. लिक्विड मधले मॉलिक्यूल दे गो इनटू द वेपर स्टेट आणि वेपर स्टेट मधले मॉलिक्यूल दे कम इनटू दी liquid state, liquid to vapor. Okay, and this equilibria, okay, here this is the set, equilibrium काय होतं तुमचं, सेट होतो. equilibrium liquid and vapor. ठीक. आता इथे कन्सेप्ट आहे, हे जे टोटल वेपर्स आहेत, ह्या वेपर काय करतात, या लिक्विड सरफेस वरती दे एक्झर्ट द प्रेशर. दिस अमाउंट ऑफ वेपर्स, ओके, वेपर मॉलिक्यूल एक्झर्ट the pressure on the surface of the liquid, and this concept is this pressure is called as the Vp, vapor pressure. Okay, this is the concept of the vapor pressure. Amount of the pressure exerted by vapor molecules on the surface of the gas on the surface of the liquid is called as the vapor pressure. So there is the equilibrium setup and we call this as a phase equilibria. Okay, this phase equilibria in between the two phases. There is always phase equilibrium between the two phases, and this is the concept of the phase equilibria. This is the concept of the phase equilibria. Okay.